workout of the day. Was finally able to get in a decent run this morning. The air is clear and it is safe to run outside again. 5 miles proof right here. And for the past 8 days or so, it's been smoky outside from all the fires. So I've been jogging in place for a mile in order to continue my running streak. So it just feels so good to finally be able to run a little bit longer than a mile. And the game plan for this weekend is to run my back-to-backs, my 20 miler plus a 10 miler the day after. My 100-mile race is less than 10 weeks away, so I have to get back on the horse. I have to get back on training, and especially getting those back-to-backs back in. And also after my run, was able to do some pull-ups as well, which I did not film. Ended up doing 8 sets of 15 reps per set. Though after this clip, I'm going to show my workout from yesterday. Was able to do some bodyweight pull-ups, 3 sets of 32 reps per set, followed by 1 set of 14, and then 4 sets of 10, and then also deadlifts 315 3x3. Yesterday's recap video of my very first semester of college and my very first video that I've ever made really got me thinking and reminiscing about all the good times that I had with my college friends up until now. Since I've graduated, I've moved back up to the Bay Area. All my friends are scattered around the country. Most of them are still in San Diego, and we've really just started our lives. And I went back on my Snapchat and my Instagram, especially the archives, and went down memory lane. And it is so amazing what a 10-second clip from 5, 6, 7 years ago will really do to my heart. And I've decided that I'm going to make a recap / compilation video of all my previous snaps and Instagram stories and the ones that my friends send me of all the good times that we had. And I'm not sure if this is a video that I want to share on this channel. I really just want to make it for my friends and I and to reminisce, and it really just depends on how they feel about having that video on my channel to the public as well. And it really just made me think of all the videos that I have come out with and all the ones that I am going to come out with. And my favorite videos of all time are those reminiscing videos of the good times, the one that really touches my heart. And I've decided that moving forward, I am definitely going to be more conscious about carrying my camera with me everywhere, especially at family parties, especially at gatherings, at weddings, just so that when there is a special occasion, or it doesn't even need to necessarily be a special occasion, the special occasion is me hanging out with my friends and family. And I just want to capture those moments and really compile it together, put it on YouTube so that we can look back on it years from now and reminisce about the good times. And I'm not sure where I'm going with this. I just want to put this on camera because it's been on my mind, and this is my vlog, so I'll share whatever is on my mind. And I will end it with this. Here are 3 epic clips that I found in my Snapchat archive. Rebuttal. What? Game winner. No, game winner! I got that on camera too! Let's go, let's do it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down below if you have any additional questions for me. Would love to hear from you all. If you would like to be featured in video form to ask me a question in my daily vlogs, please send that clip to lifewithvincelu@gmail.com. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'd really help me out. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.